Do you have stubborn stains on your fixtures? What about rings on your toilet bowl or its tank? As we have said before, hard water is hard on everything. And in today's episode, we'll talk about the best way to clean your fixtures safely. Hi everyone, I'm Chad Peterman. Today we have a great, simple, and effective DIY tip to help you clean off those stubborn hard water stains. Before we get into that, if you're having persistent hard water problems, we highly recommend getting a water softener installed. Today's technique is excellent for cleaning, but the best thing you can do for your home is prevention. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about water softeners and how they work, check out the link in the description. If you've tried cleaner after cleaner, scrubbed as hard as you possibly can, and you're still struggling with stains, all you need is a bottle of white vinegar and some paper towels. You may have heard about vinegar's cleaning power before, but it is particularly well suited to cleaning hard water problems. That's why we use vinegar to clean tankless water heaters during plumbing inspections. Soak a paper towel in the vinegar and apply it to wherever the most stubborn stains are located. It should stick pretty well to most any surface, but watch for a couple of minutes to make sure they stay. Then all you have to do is wait. The longer you can give it, the better, but we recommend waiting at least 2 to 4 hours. After the vinegar has had a chance to set, remove the paper towels. A fresh paper towel or sponge with vinegar and light scrubbing should easily wipe away most of the remaining grime. Repeat this process a few times for particularly stubborn buildups. For gummed up toilet tanks, we recommend flushing the toilet to empty the tank and pour in white vinegar instead. Allow that to soak overnight for maximum results. There you have it. Pretty easy, right? Let us know what you thought in the comments. Had you heard of that before? Do you have any other cleaning or vinegar related tips? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and come back again for more tips, tricks, and product spotlights from the Homeowner's Handbook.